My dear students, Professor Vinod Kumar Kaur, for the students of 6M course Diseases of Cereal and Horticulture Crops and Their Management. My dear students, I have told you that wheat is a Rabi crop. In my first lectures, I have covered rust disease. Today, I am taking loose summit of wheat. Loose summit of wheat is very important disease in India. It appears in all the states wherever wheat is grown. Symptoms of the disease appear on the grains. First symptoms that disease appear on the grains. The black or charcoal color brownish powder is formed in the grains. Coat of the seed is removed. That powder is exposed in the environment. This is the summit symptoms. It is sooty. The powder is exposed in the environment. This is the symptoms. This is systematic disease. The pathogen become active from the germinations of the embryo in the plant, and the pathogen mycelium grow till the grains formations start. This is systemic disease. This is internal seed-borne disease. Causal organism Astylago nuda. Causal organism is Astylago nuda. This is a fungus which belongs to class Basidiomystes, order Astylaginales. Teleospores are found. Then predisposing factors. This disease appear when the ears are formed in the field. Temperature shoot up, that is a little bit higher temperature, and low humidity favor the disease development. Disease cycle. Disease is internally seed-borne. This is the only disease which is the internally seed-borne in your course. Internally seed-borne means the mycelium of the pathogen Astylago nuda triticii survive in the embryo of the seed and remain dormant till it is sown and germination of the seed start. Disease cycle is, so far is concerned, disease seed should not be used. Disease seed should not be used. After knowing symptoms, causal organism, predisposing factors and disease cycle, that it is an internal seed-borne disease, then management. Management of the disease is that healthy seeds should be sown in the crop season. Seeds should be treated with systemic fungicide Vitavax. Seed should be treated with systemic fungicide Vitavax at the rate 2 gram per kg of seed. I once again repeat it. Systemic fungicide Vitavax at the rate 2 gram per kg of seed. Then hot water treatment is also recommended to minimize the disease incidence. Hot water treatment was first used in controlling late blight of potato by Swingle. Potato tubers were treated with hot water. Then this hot water treatment was also applied for the treating seed of wheat. In hot water treatment, the seeds are soaked in ordinary cold water for 4 hours. Seeds are soaked in ordinary cold water for 4 hours so that the mycelium present in the embryo of the seed become active, or said to activate the mycelium present in the seed embryo. We are soaking the seeds for 4 hours in ordinary water. Then these seeds are dipped for 10 minutes in hot water of 52 degrees Celsius. In hot water at 52 degrees Celsius temperatures, these seeds are transferred and dipped in hot water for 10 minutes. By doing so, the activated mycelium during soaking is killed in the embryo of the seed. Then the seeds are taken out, spread in the sunlight. They are dried and used for sowing. This minimizes the incidence of the disease. Solar heat treatment is another method to treat the seed. In solar heat treatment, seed is soaked in ordinary water for 4 hours as done in hot water treatment. Then in May and June, when the temperature is around 48 or 50 degrees Celsius in northern parts of India, the seeds are spread under the sunlight. The seeds are spread under the sunlight. By doing so, the activated mycelium is killed due to solar energy. These seeds are dried in sunlight itself and used for sowing. Hot water treatment, solar energy treatment, and chemical treatment of Vitavax is given prior to sowing of the crop. Then lastly, sowing of resistant variety is also a remedy. Different states have recommended resistant varieties as per their recommended practices. They seeds of healthy and recommended resistant varieties is also useful under farmer conditions because it is very economic and can be used cost nothing and minimize the disease effectively. With this I complete loose summit of wheat. Thank you one and all of you.